Welcome back. Now there's a tropical wave that is expected to enter the Caribbean sometime in the afternoon tomorrow. We're expecting conditions to deteriorate across sections of the eastern Caribbean as this tropical wave moves through the general area, more so over the southern portion of the Caribbean, not so much over the northern portion of the Leeward Islands. We also have another weak tropical wave that is affecting the Central America region with some shower and thunderstorm activity. Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms have been occurring across the Jamaica area, across Cuba, and also across Hispaniola. We do have a slight weakening of that high pressure ridge. We do also have a weakening of the wind pattern across the open Caribbean, so we're seeing weaker winds across the general area, consequently stronger afternoon clouds, showers and thunderstorms. Forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy skies. We expect temperatures to drop to 25 degrees Celsius in Kingston and Montego Bay. Northerly winds on the south coast, northeasterlies on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy, especially across the east. In the afternoon, you can expect more of those isolated showers and thunderstorms across inland areas and western parishes. Temperatures are averaging 34, that's maxing at 34 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Expect a few showers and possible thunderstorms for halfway through tomorrow, also for Maypen, Mandeville, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. Expect shower activity in Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.